Hey guys, if you're a salesperson or if you want to own your own business and you have hustle, check out alocalcompany.com. We are launching 9 new retail locations for HVAC, e-commerce retail brands that we have business in a box. They're ready to go here in Dallas-Fort Worth. If you or someone you know wants to own a high profit margin, essential business in the air conditioning space, now's the time to do it. We have everything built and ready to go for you. Visit alocalcompany.com to learn more.